Mm, so, okay, here it is. You love me?
Yes, I do.
The words were simple, but powerful, bold. She didn't know what to say. A shooting star could have passed over them at that very moment, and they would have barely noticed. But I'm with someone else, and I love him.
Then why are you here with me tonight?
This stuns her. She realizes he is right. What is this feeling, this indescribable... She makes him feel like no one has ever... Todd. Todd?
Yeah?
You made a noise.
I made a noise.
Like a cringing noise. You were cringing.
I was not cringing. You can't even... What is a cringing noise?
You think it's terrible.
No, it's not terrible. It's great. Please continue.
Then why are you with me here tonight?
Hey, shut up!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's what I mean by cringing. You were making fun of me.
Emma, you're doing a deep voice. It's funny.
I wouldn't have had to do it myself if you had just done the male voice like I asked.
Are you really trying to get me to do a romantic roleplay with you, Emma?
Yes. And you are being difficult. What's the point of having a male here if he doesn't do a male voice?
Okay, start again. I'll do the male voice if you want.
Nah, it's okay. Let's do something else.
Wait, no, Emma, you left me on a cliffhanger.
How about you read it? Just read from this part to this part. Just this scene. The other parts aren't finished yet, so ignore them. Oh, also, this character was established early. Just read it. I think I'm gonna wait outside while you... Yeah.
Fuck you!